Hey ho, Monk on the hill here, and I'm trying to save a life. It's about the husky behind me. It's a bit of a sad story because he was gifted to a little boy because of his nice shiny eyes. Unfortunately, his parents, they aren't actually really well with animals. So that dog ended up chained up most of his life, if not all of his life. And finally, when they couldn't handle him down there anymore, they brought him up here on the mountain. And my neighbors, they have this big garden here. And it was the husky's job to protect this garden. And again, he was chained up. There were some incidents lately. He got loose off the chain, and my neighbors, they are just too old to handle these situations. Their son chose the easiest option. That happens quite often in Bulgaria. Shoot the dog. No more problem. And to put things into perspective, the guy that would shoot the dog isn't a bad guy at all, except when it comes to animals. But you know, there are people that just don't understand what animals are. In more civilized areas, it's simply the people that just don't have any animals. But in rural Bulgaria, it's a little different. You have animals, whether you understand them or not. And that's how this guy grew up. Animals either give food, are food, or they have a job. A dog has to guard, be it your home, your property, or your livestock. So, a dog is a tool. And what do you do with a tool that gives you more work than it's helping you? You get rid of it. Then this guy is super busy. Not being busy getting rich. He's busy working his shift job, supporting multiple families, assisting friends and neighbors, and you'll never hear a no from him when asking for help. Now there's a hardly known place in town. They take in old and ill dogs and try to give them some nice last years. Of course, it's pretty crowded there, but I managed to give him a chance. Now I try to get him into my car, bring him down there, and then we'll see how he's acting with the other dogs. If he's behaving, then he can stay. If not, let's see how that goes. It's relatively spontaneous, so I don't have a tripod here or any special filming equipment. Let's see how we can handle this. Rocky is his name. Hey, Rocky! Hey, Rocky! Straway! Straway! Oh. Yeah, he's a nice guy, at least towards me. Of course, barking a lot. As you can see, he's got an eye problem. No one really cared for him. Let's hope to make this better. Rocky. Daddy? Yes, that smells of my dog, Lizzie. Okay, I need 2 hands for this. I have him in the car. That went quite relatively easy with a piece of bread. And now driving down the mountain. I hope he won't throw up in the car. So he's all in the back there. My plan is to, before going there, I'll feed him, that there will be no troubles about food with the other dogs. If he will behave, he can stay there and have a good rest of his life. If he's not behaving, I have to take him back and he might get shot. For now, this is the only option I see. Tuning back in when we are there. The dog place is hidden away back there, and as you can see, they dug a huge canal in front of the entrance there even, so I have to walk with the dog all around it, all the way back there. And now I'll feed him first, and again, to get him out of the car I need 2 hands. And there's just a car coming, maybe it's the people from there, so we might have to wait a bit. Oh yes, we waited. When you live in Bulgaria, you learn how to wait. My old neighbor is a true master when it comes to waiting. The shop doesn't open for another 2 hours. But there's a bench. Let's sit and wait. No regrets. Just trying to power him out a bit. You know, it's a husky that only lived on a chain, so he built up energy like crazy. I mean, huskies just want to run, want to pull. And that's what he's doing now. Pulling. Now all this energy won't bring him any troubles up there. The people I just met in the car, they had to go shopping, so I have to wait like half an hour or something, and then we'll see how that goes. There's another dog coming. And let's see the reaction. The husky, Rocky, he might be blind, not so sure. This guy is just a... Okay. Now he's seeing him, or he knows he's there, but got distracted by a sheep. I'm not sure if this one is one of the ranch, how they call it. It just got out and coming back, or if it's just another stray. Let's throw in some food. Oh, that's another hungry guy. Doesn't look like aggression to me. Almost looks like this dog belongs to the guy with the car. And finally, we were asked in to the first fenced-off area. Rocky was left off leash and he was observed by the boss of the pack. Super Rocky. Super Rocky. And thing is, he's not castrated, so that might happen right now. The others back there are waiting to meet as well. Yeah. Stewie. Stewie. Ošte snaži me ili kakvo? Ne? You still know me from last time. So it looks like we're meeting the rest of the pack. Rocky! 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 We want to bring him to the others, but it's his first time off the chain, so now he don't want to be caught anymore. We got him in. And yeah, that's why castration. No, всички да тук. Hey, Rocky!
Hey! Hey, stop ya! No. You can't make this on those dogs.
But females are sterilized as well?
Oh. Yes, but this is, they don't like.
Lots of other excited dogs. And anesthesia is already kicking in. Castration is done. He sleeps now in this house there. Strasti. Oh yeah, no idea how they close that. I'll leave it to their system. So he's sleeping in there now. So for now, this went quite well. I hope it'll keep on going well. And hopefully I'll get some feedback soon. Back on the dog farm. Let's check out how Rocky is doing. He still has to be separated. Until all the testosterone is out of his body. And he's very excited seeing me. But he's off the chain, and like in a week, I guess, or a little less, he can come out of here, and then hopefully everything goes well with all the other dogs around here. And unfortunately, this place hardly gets any sun in the winter months, so that's why everything is just pure mud around here. Super! Super! Everyone get some cuddles. This one as well. So Rocky, till next time. I'll come back checking on you. Yeah. So for now, Rocky is saved. He's in a good place, and as long as he behaves, he will be there. He will be looked after. I'll surely get some updates on him. And if you want to know how he's doing, then leave a subscribe and see you in the next one.